Hi, I'm Flan. Normally, I work for LEAP with the Free Library of Philadelphia doing after-school programming for kids, but today, I'm joining Free Library Home Cooks to show you how to make a delicious shepherd's pie. During this time of physical distancing, while it's inadvisable to go out and really pricey to order in, we've been making do with what we have on hand, minimizing trips to the grocery store, and trying to cook crowd-pleasing dishes for everyone who's staying at home with us. For me, this has meant cooking flexitarian. Since I'm vegetarian, one of my housemates is vegetarian, but our other housemate is not vegetarian. In order for us to share food and save resources, we've been working on making food that's delicious for everyone to enjoy. If you've been having difficulty with access to food, the City of Philadelphia's Food Access Program is for you. On Monday and Thursday mornings between 10 and 12, anyone can walk or drive up to a food access site and receive a free box of food with no identification or documentation required. On Monday, food access sites provide canned goods and dry goods, and on Thursdays, the Food Access Program has boxes of fresh produce for you and your family to enjoy. For more information on the Food Access Program, follow the link in the bio. With all of that said, let's get cooking. And now I've just gotta try some. Potatoes are really smooth and creamy, and the gravy is rich with a lot of flavors balancing each other out with the vegetables, the tomato, the broth. Everything works together really well. And that golden crispy cheese on top, You're gonna love this shepherd's pie with the help of the Food Access Program. Thanks for tuning in today, and have a good quarantine.